Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. It feels so good. Anyways, so the product we are going to be using today is going to be the Curls line. So this is the Curls Creme Brulee whipped curl cream. I've used their line before. I just haven't used that. But the next product I'm gonna show you, I have used this before and I really like it. It's the Curls Lavish Curl Moisturizer, Second Curl Refresher Daily Leave-In. This stuff smells so good. It smells so good, and I feel like it makes my hair soft. I don't know. I like this product a lot. And so we're gonna use, damn, never fails to drop something. Anyways, we're gonna use the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco. This should smell good. I mean, honestly, any hair product you buy, it should smell good, because why you putting it in your hair if it don't smell good? That's gross. And we're gonna use, I love this edge control. If y'all are looking for edge control that like literally keeps them edges together intact, I would definitely use the Design Essentials Sleek Max Edge Control. This shit right here, that shit right there on your edges, gonna get it right. And we're gonna use the Eco Style Olive Oil Max Hold. And so you're gonna need a Denman brush or whatever you like to use to detangle your hair, some clips, and a spray bottle. Okay, so this is my hair, styled and finished. I have a few more hours, not a few more hours, just well, yeah, a few more hours before I go to bed, so I'm just gonna let it air dry so that it's not smushed. But I'll come back and show you guys the results of what it looks like in the morning. This is what it looks like right now. So I had to make sure I saturated it in the products and water. So this is what my curls look like now. And like I said, I've never used this product before. I have used the line, I just never used this product. So I'm curious to see what it would be doing for my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna relax, take my ass to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so it is day 2. This is what my hair looks like today from using the Curls Creme Brulee whipped cream, what is it? A whipped cream, curling cream? That's exactly what it is, yes. So let me show you guys. This is what I used in my hair. I used it in my hair last night. So it's actually funny. So I went to bed last night with my hair wet. It wasn't fully dry. It was like damp. So when I woke up this morning, it was still curly. It was just a little bit frizzy. I did put a scarf and a bonnet on my head. But so I was like, dang, I hope I don't have to you know, try a new product because I really like this one. But I forgot that the type of hair that I have, it literally drinks product. Like, you're gonna have to really, for my hair, like, you're gonna have to really saturate your hair in order for it to really use the product the way it's supposed to be used. So today I repeated the process of the steps that, well, I did water, the leave-in spray, and then the creme brulee whipped curl cream. I put that in my hair again, and I've been sitting here doing my makeup, and it just dried on its own, and this is what it looks like without being touched, without anything. Like, it's dry, and this is what it looks like. Like, look how defined my curls are. They're so pretty. Oh my god, this shit smells so good. Okay, so last night, when my hair smells good, or like, I mean, who doesn't like smelling good? But listen, when my hair smells good, I be whipping that shit, cause that shit, whoo, that shit be smelling so good. But so I'm gonna give it till tomorrow morning to see what my hair looks like, because hopefully it gets a little bit bigger. But if not, like, this is so cute the way my hair is laying out this way, so I wouldn't even be mad. So yeah.